Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014. If you guys have one of those and you have problems where you're trying to find the relay for the vacuum pump, let's say your vacuum pump is not working, you have hard brake paddle, could be because of that as well. We're going to explain, guys, where that relay is located, where you can buy cheap relays from, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. We'll specifically demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, but even if you have a different year, that generation, it may work as well. You have a fuse for the vacuum pump as well. Check out the video, will be on our YouTube channel, Free Car Repair, that you're watching now. So if you open the hood on your F-150, right under the hood above the radiator, you're going to see that fuse box, guys. That if you open that fuse box, you will see that it will look like that. Okay, that's the fuse box. Now in that fuse box we'll be looking for the relay. If yours is equipped with a vacuum pump, okay, you have that relay. Not all F-150s have that vacuum pump relay. But before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test relays and fuses. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you have the 3.5 engine, you will have it, otherwise you will not have that relay, guys. Now those relays, you have only 3 different kinds of relays, guys. They could be really expensive and hard to find if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere or going through small towns, so we recommend to always buy some and keep as spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. The relay for the vacuum pump, if you have the 3.5 engine, will be the one right here, guys. That relay right here will be the one, okay, for the vacuum pump. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.